Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to share Instagram posts to Facebook. So if you want to share your Instagram post to Facebook automatically or each time you publish on Instagram, you want the post to be published on Facebook as well, then there's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to share Instagram post to Facebook, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application, click on the plus icon, then come down here and then select the post you want to share on Instagram. So just scroll through the photo gallery and then go ahead and select the post. Once you selected it, click on the next button, click on the next button again. Now before you share, scroll down the page, just keep scrolling and click on more options. In the more options, scroll down and locate automatic sharing, turn on Facebook, and then hit the back button. Then go ahead and click on the share button. Once you hit the share button and this post is posted on your Instagram, then the same post will be posted on your Facebook. Then go ahead and open your Facebook application. Then hang on a couple of seconds and you should see the same post here. You see that? So that's exactly how to share Instagram story to Facebook. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.